The bent leg pendulum is an exercise that offers several benefits, particularly for enhancing core strength, stability, and flexibility. This exercise targets the abdominal muscles, helping to strengthen the core. By engaging the core and moving the legs in a controlled manner, this exercise can help alleviate tension in the lower back. This is particularly beneficial for people who spend a lot of time sitting, as sitting can lead to lower back pain and posture issues. Regularly practicing this exercise can improve overall stability, which is crucial for athletic performance and daily activities. Besides the core and hip flexors, this exercise also engages the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back muscles, making it a comprehensive lower body workout. Incorporating the bent leg pendulum into your routine can be a great way to work on these aspects of fitness. However, it's always recommended to perform any new exercise under the guidance of a fitness professional, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions or injuries.